case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 2019 case, the Supreme Court examined the constitutionality of the Lanham Act's ban on registering immoral or scandalous trademarks. The Supreme Court's decision hinged on core principles of free speech, namely, that the government cannot discriminate against speech based on the ideas or opinions it conveys. At the heart of the case was Erik Brunetti, the founder of a clothing line called FUCT. Brunetti encountered resistance when attempting to register his brand as a trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, PTO, which rejected his application under the Lanham Act's provisions. Both the initial PTO examining attorney and the subsequent Trademark Trial and Appeal Board deemed Brunetti's mark to be vulgar and therefore unfit for registration. Unwilling to accept the decision, Brunetti asserted that the Lanham Act's provision violated the First Amendment and successfully appealed to the Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, which ruled in favor of his argument that the Act's ban was unconstitutional. The U.S. Supreme Court agreed to review the case, subsequently affirming the Court of Appeals' ruling that the immoral or scandalous bar in the Lanham Act was viewpoint-based and discriminatorily targeted brands that didn't align with society's sense of decency. In penning the majority opinion, Justice Kagan found that such viewpoint-based discrimination represents an egregious form of content discrimination and is presumptively unconstitutional, violating what the court recognized as the bedrock First Amendment principle. Ultimately, the contentious ban was identified as being overbroad and inherently discriminatory, thus violating the First Amendment. This crucial ruling affirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeals, declaring the Lanham Act's prohibition on immoral or scandalous trademarks unconstitutional because of its infringement on free speech.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.